Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful balloon gift. It's very easy to make, so let's get started. So these are the supplies I will be using today. I have 8 11-inch balloons. I have 4 260 balloons, and I have 4 5-inch balloons. I'm going to start by inflating my 11-inch balloons. I'm going to be making them into dupes, and then I'm going to be making 2 sets of quads. And to make the quads, we're going to connect 2 sets of dupes at the neck and twist. I'm just going to go ahead and add a water balloon weight for stability. I'm going to tie the neck of the water balloon to one of the neck of the balloons in the quad. Now I'm going to be inflating my 5-inch balloons, and I'm just going to give it 4 pumps each of air. And then I'm going to make dupes, and then I'm going to make a small quad. And this is going to function as my separator between the 2 quad layers. Okay, so now I'm going to be inflating the 260 balloons, and I'm going to add enough hair, leaving just about an inch at the end of the balloon. After I'm done inflating the 260 balloons, I'm going to be tying 2 together, so I will have 2 sets. So here I have my 260 balloons. I've tied 2 together, so I have 2 sets. I'm going to connect them where they are tied and joined, and then I'm going to twist. So the 2 sets are now connected, and now it's time to add our first layer of quad. So I'm going to add the quad. We want to add it and make sure that each of the 260 fits comfortably between the balloons. And I'm going to add the 5-inch balloons. I'm just going to tie it to the neck of one of the neck in the quad as well. And as I said before, this is going to be the separator between the 2 layers. I'm going to add the second layer now, and just press a little bit, and then I'm going to bring the 260 all the way to the top, all 4 pieces of the 260, and then I'm going to twist them together to secure it. And guys, just a reminder, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying this video, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so. I appreciate it. So guys, I had mentioned earlier about leaving a little 1 inch at the end of your balloon, and this is why we're going to be tying the 2 tips together, and this is how we're going to make the bow on top of the gift. So we're going to tie it, then we're going to squeeze it down in the middle, and we're going to twist. We are going to be doing the same thing to the 2 remaining tips, and it's going to form a beautiful balloon bow. So this is the final look, guys, and I think this looks amazing. It's easy to make and it's beautiful. You can use it for any event. even Christmas. You can make something like this and put at your Christmas tree. It's very beautiful. That's it for today's video. I want to thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video.